If you accidentally deleted important files, don't panic and don't pay a single cent. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to recover unlimited data for free. Yes, every file, every size, completely free, using a simple tool anyone can use. And once you get your files back, make sure this doesn't happen again. I use Drive Guardian to monitor drive health, catch failing disk early, and safely maintain storage, so data loss never sneaks up on me. Get Drive Guardian from the pinned comment below. Alright, first things first, we need the tool for free unlimited data recovery. Open your preferred web browser and go to www.puransoftware.com. File recovery.html. Once you are there, find the Puran File Recovery download link and click it. On the next page, simply click the download link for the recent version. After the download finishes, open the downloaded file and just follow the simple on-screen instructions and accept the licensing terms and agreement. There is no sticky settings and no hidden extras. Once it's installed, the program will automatically open. Don't worry, it's 100% safe and completely free. It's time to find your lost files. First, select the drive where your files were deleted. You can identify the drive by its drive letter and size. Next, you will see a scan option. I recommend a deep scan, as it digs deeper and can recover files even if they were deleted a long time ago. Make sure you tick Find Lost Files and click Scan to proceed. Let Puran File Recovery do its magic. You will see a progress bar as it searches through your drive, finding every recovery file along the way. Once the scan is complete, you will see all the files Puran File Recovery found, every photo, document, video, and more. Browse through the results and select the files you want to bring back based on the file's condition. You can recover just one file or hundreds of files at once. There's no limit. After selecting, click Recover. From the pop-up, select Recover with Folder Structure and choose a safe location. Ideally, choose a different drive so nothing gets overwritten. And that's it. Every file, no matter the size, is back in your hands. Completely free. Unlimited recovery made simple, with zero cost and zero hassle. If this helped you get your files back, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows tips and free recovery techniques.